Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV. In today's video, we have combined amazing and unique new kitchen gadgets and smart home appliances essential for every homes, which you can buy today on Amazon or online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Meet the new Diamond Force Extra Large Air Fryer with 8 preset functions. It's the perfect air fryer for your entire family. Its extra large cooking basket lets you prepare a full meal in a healthy and delicious way while using 99.5% less oil. Experience a convenient new way of cooking with 8 preset functions: fries, bacon, fish, shrimp, chicken, steak, baked goods, and dehydrate. Cleaning the basket of your Oster air fryer is easier than ever with our longest-lasting non-stick coating Diamond Force. Reinforced and infused with diamond particles for easy food release. Easy to clean, durable, PFOA-free, and with a dishwasher-safe basket. Create healthy, delicious meals for the entire family with the new Oster Diamond Force Extra Large Air Fryer.
Blending to the next level with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender. With professional performance and cordless convenience, the cordless hand blender does it all, from blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. Powered by a rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, LED display controls, and a 3-foot removable USB cable port for easy charging. The hand blender will reach a full charge in only 2 hours and will run continuously for 20 minutes. The stainless steel shaft is long enough to reach into pots and bowls to do all your prepping or blending in one place. Use the chef's whisk attachment to create homemade whipped cream in seconds. The 3-cup beaker is marked in liters and cups for convenient measuring. Ergonomically designed for easy gripping and drip-free pouring, the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender will be your go-to in the kitchen. Enjoy the prep and cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender.
Cosori's electric glass kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, Cosori's electric glass kettle is the smart choice.
Making delicious and healthy juice just got easier. Introducing the Oster Self-Cleaning Juice Extractor. Its patented auto-clean technology automatically rinses and scrubs the filter in just 25 seconds, eliminating the need to manually scrub the hard-to-clean filter found in most juice extractors, so you spend more time juicing and less time cleaning. Its 2-speed settings, extra-wide food chute, and powerful motor lets you extract nutrients from hard and soft ingredients with speed and convenience. Give your day and health a boost. Combine all your favorite vitamin-packed fruits and veggies to create colorful and delicious drinks for the whole family. The Oster self-cleaning juice extractor is beautifully and carefully crafted with your health and daily routine in mind. Now you can finally enjoy all the benefits of juicing without the hassle, thanks to the Oster patented self-cleaning juice extractor with auto-clean technology.
Precision and speed and digital convenience. The Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5 quart digital stand mixer. Equipped with a high-performance 500-watt motor, this digital stand mixer powers through even the heaviest of mixing jobs. With its large 5.5 quart capacity bowl, 12 speed settings, 3 programmed recipe functions, which includes 7 tasks. It all starts with the turn of the digital LED dial to start creating in the kitchen. With a dough hook, set the stand mixer to create delicious homemade breads and pizza easily as the pre-programmed function does the mixing and kneading for you. Attach the flat mixing paddle and turn the dial to the mixing setting. First, add your dry ingredients and turn the dial to dry ingredient mixing. Once the countdown timer on the LED dial is complete, set dry ingredients aside to reserve. Add your wet ingredients and turn the LED dial to creaming. Add your dry ingredients to continue the mixing process. The automatic pre-programmed countdown timer will beep once mixing is complete. Use the chef's whisk attachment and pre-program the unit to the whisking function to create creamy, homemade whipped cream in minutes. Attach the splash guard with pour spout for maximum versatility and minimal mess. Use the manual mode to customize your desired speed settings. Die-cast housing provides superior durability and commercial-style mixing for today's everyday kitchen. The tilt-back head allows easy access to the mixing bowl, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5 quart digital stand mixer.
With the Cosori Premium Vacuum Sealer, keep your pre-portioned and leftover meals lasting longer with easy air sealing technology. From portioned snacks to seasoned meals, the vacuum sealer brings you fresh new ways to save on both storage space and money. Easily cut and create your bags to just the size you need. Then, with just the press of a button, you can vacuum seal your food to keep it fresh for longer. The vacuum sealer is designed with several features for any type of food, whether wet or dry. The storage bags are waterproof, protecting your ingredients from freezer burn. Easily adjust pressure for delicate foods, such as bread and fruit. An add-on hose adapter lets you keep larger portions sealed for convenient storage. All you have to do is make sure the hose end is compatible with your canister. If it's not, the vacuum sealer also comes with a larger hose end adapter that fits a different canister port. The hose adapter also allows you to marinate meals in minutes. Cut down on prep time while enjoying the same great taste of your favorite home-cooked meals. Enjoy fresher foods and a clutter-free kitchen with the Cosori Premium Vacuum Sealer.
Here's the art of toast making with the Cuisinart 2 and 4 slice motorized digital toasters. With wide toasting slots, 7 shade settings, and 6 bread types, you'll be able to toast each to perfection every time. The Memory Set feature simplifies your routine, giving you the option to store and select your favorite settings for customized results. The leverless design operates at the touch of a button. Press the activation bar down to begin toasting. The motorized carriage will lower the bread into the toasting chamber, and the toasting will begin. Countdown bars will flash to indicate remaining time, and use the Quick View feature to monitor your progress. Use the Add 30 Seconds button to extend browning. Press the Cancel button to stop the toasting process and automatically lift the bread. The defrost function is a longer cycle designed to first defrost, then toast to the desired shade. The Cuisinart motorized digital toasters also have the single function to toast a single slice of bread. The large LED digital display with countdown timer will beep when toasting process is complete. The 4-slice toaster has a dual control panel that gives you the option of toasting breads on different settings at the same time. With removable crumb tray and wraparound cord, cleanup and storage are a breeze. Master the art of toasting with the Cuisinart 2- and 4-slice motorized digital toasters.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.